Hey guys, Matt, we're back here on the Cushman project, and last time we worked on getting everything broken apart and ready to be cleaned up. So what we're going to work on today is the big task of blasting all of the big parts for the Cushman, and we're going to try and get everything all cleaned up and ready to go so we can put in some epoxy primer and everything sealed up as we continue to do all our body work. So I'm going to pull these parts, take them outside, and we can start blasting them and get everything cleaned up. All right, so after spraying a bunch of fast etch on here and hitting it with some scuff pads, everything has dried and flashed off overnight, and I'm really happy with how it looks. We neutralized any minimal rust that might have been in pores, and we got everything cleaned off, and most importantly, everything's sealed now so that the bare metal is not going to flash rust on us while we do any additional repairs that need to be done. Now, after blasting it, as what always happens, we opened up some pits in the metal that turned into holes, so we're gonna need to fix some of those pinholes and do a little bit more rust repair. I know, bummer, but that's just how it goes. I'm glad we saw it now and it wasn't when we were doing body work. So while we're working on getting all those pinholes going, I'm gonna actually order some of the stuff we need to bag the chassis, and we're gonna start working on the chassis work and get everything set up for that. And then hopefully here soon, we'll be able to put everything together and start making it into a scooter. That's all I have for this one. If you want to learn more about the tools that you saw in this video, you can click the link down below, or you can visit eastwood.com to get all the tools you need to do the job right.